pressure isn't just personal. It's built into public places, schools, crowded hallways and classrooms, faith centers, community worship and youth groups, neighborhoods, residential streets and local parks, detention walls, prison fences and cells. That changes everything. Problem, let's be blunt, institutions can hurt. In schools, achievement pressure pushes students into chronic stress. In workplaces, similar pressures drive chronic stress and burnout. Achievement pressure undermines performance and well-being. Stereotype threat amplifies stress and reduces outcomes. In faith, communities' messages about belonging influence identity. Purity pressures and shame create emotional conflict. Young people struggle trying to fit in. Immigration system impacts migrants' well-being. Justice system practices shape mental health outcomes. Detention isn't just inconvenient, it's harmful. Longer detention predicts worse mental health harms that last well beyond release. The research is clear. Lee's research connects settings and stress responses. School settings influence identity and stress. Faith settings shape identity and stress responses. Von Werthern and colleagues studied detention duration effects, longer detention tied directly to symptom severity, trauma effects that can persist. Other studies link ecological pressures to student stress. Forced acculturation increases stress for students navigating new cultures. Neighborhood collective efficacy supports recovery. Neighbors helping neighbors offers practical support. Local activism builds community resilience. These practices buffer trauma and build resilience. So what do we do? First, name the problem and speak honestly. Acknowledge institutional pressure and detention harms. Second, invest in supports to reduce stereotype threat. Also, reduce shame with compassionate policies and programs. Fund mentorship programs for youth. Adopt inclusive curricula in schools. Encourage faith leaders to promote belonging, not purity policing. Third, reform detention practices and policies. Shorten stays and limit unnecessary detention. Expand community-based alternatives to detention. Fund mental health supports for migrants. Finally, strengthen neighborhoods through community investment. Encourage collective action. Support local programs that rebuild safety and hope. Systems aren't fixed. We can redesign them to protect, not punish. Small policy moves and community muscle add up. Let's push for places that heal.